If any doubts, you may can share it. We'll discuss. Otherwise, revise how to calculate oxidation number rules. I think so, almost everyone revised that one. Now we can see few more examples. Then you can go types of redox reactions. After that, you'll go that one balancing equations. Today, that's our target. Okay. If you have NCERT book, you make an open exactly whatever NCERT they give. That's what I'm going to discuss today. Either any app or we have directly textbook you can open. I think I informed you previously you have to read NCERT books. Okay. I don't know how many people read that one NCERT book. Please look into that. Now onwards, you have to do a redox reaction completely. Whatever, how many questions is there, that many you have to solve and you have to send that one within 3 to 4 days. Completely you need to submit that. I will check which you are sending that answers that should not be matched with your NCERT solutions. You have in the internet also NCERT solutions, but they should not be matched. At least your own way, that is. I need that is. Are you hear me? Are you able to get my voice? Are you getting my voice or not? Will you continue our class? Let me confirm that one. Are you getting my voice or not? Okay. We make question through please SMS. You can see WhatsApp or not. Are getting or not my voice? Okay. Okay. Clear. Now we'll discuss redox reactions. Few oxidation number calculations. After that, we can go further. So already we given those only I'm asking just formality. All these things you remembered or not, you can check it. So how many people have done this is perfectly? Let me know that one. The structure is Na2S2O3. So we need sulfur oxidation numbers. Here carbon oxidation number. Okay. Or electronegativity order. We are assuming that one. Carbon is more than hydrogen. Oxygen is more than sulfur, sir. Okay. If you know electronegativity, which is more electronegative atom. Electronegative means electron accepting capacity, which can have more electron accepting nature, that is more electronegative nature. Clear? So carbon is more electronegative element. Here oxygen, things we can find out very easily. Check it. In this case here, compared to carbon and hydrogen, which is a more electronegative atom, I mentioned very clearly here, carbon, which is more electronegative atom that can show negative character due to these three hydrogens. Each hydrogen is +1. Already we know that one very well. So these are +1 means this carbon should be -3. Is it clear? And what about this carbon? Each oxygen here -2, but here -1 oxygen. Because of carbon, I am expecting, sir, only one bond. They can donate only one electron. Here, these are +3. This is a bond which is a given. Right, we have to see all bonds only. With respect to each bond, electron either gaining or donor, that will be takes place. If donor means positive character, electron gaining means negative character. We have to see 4 bonds. And still now I consider only 3 bonds only. You can see 3 hydrogens I consider, one more identity consider. That's why I'm going to be considered here. And about here, what about this carbon? Here also I consider 3. Already 3 bonds. With respect to these 2 bonds, -2. So there should be +2. Then with respect to the bond, -1, total +3. So which is the remaining bond? You can check it here, sir. With respect to this bond, one carbon should be minus, one should be plus. That's we need to find out here which is that is. Here, more electronegative atoms attaches to oxygen. So this should be electron gaining character, sir. You can gain electrons, or you can take this hybridization is sp2. This hybridization is sp3. Already previously given electronegative order is sp is more electronegative character, then sp2, then sp3. How this is we are going to calculate in chemical bonding. Clear? So more the S percentage, more the electronegative character. sp2 and sp3, which is more electronegative here, sp2. So this should be -1. So this should be +1. Understood? What is the net oxidation number of this carbon? -3 + 1 means how much? So net charge or net oxidation number. Oxidation states are not oxidation number. Oxidation state equal to -2. Here net oxidation state equal to how much? +2. Now we are calculating oxidation number. So oxidation number equal to, this is average, sir, average -2 +2 by 2. This is average, sir. How much will get? I think so 0. This is the average oxidation number of carbon in this molecule. Please note down average oxidation number of carbon. This is called acetic acid. His name is acetic acid. Please note down the structure as well as how you drawn that one also you can get. Once chemical bonding completed, then automatically you can understand, sir, at least some structures. Now we can try here. Anyway, oxygen is more electronegative than sulfur. So 2 bonds, because of 2 bonds, this is -2, this should be +2. How many bonds attaches we can see, sir? With respect to oxygen, 4 bonds, which is directly 1 bond means -1, 2 bonds means -2. We make and check it here, total how much? +4, sir. The sulfur is +4. But here, even the sulfur is sp3 hybridization. I am giving hybridization, then you can find out which is minus, which is plus. This is sp2, which is minus, which is plus, sir? sp2 is more electronegative, that's why this is minus 2. How much, sir? This is plus 2 again, because of the sulfur this is minus 2 means this should be plus 2. Opposite only always. Minus 2 means they are taking electrons, this is losing electrons. How many electrons they are getting, that much they can lose here, so plus 2. So this sulfur can show directly plus 6 oxidation number, and here the sulfur is minus 2 oxidation number. Sorry, oxidation state. Oxidation state services. Please note down difference between oxidation state and oxidation number. Clear? Please note down this one. Oxidation number is different, oxidation state is different. Sometimes oxidation state equal to oxidation number. Please note down all the sentences. Oxidation number and oxidation state both are different. Sometimes oxidation number equal to oxidation state. Please note down the statement. So oxidation state we are calculating for every atom, but oxidation number is average of all atoms, which is the same kind of atoms. Here oxidation number of sulfur equal to here. One is plus 6, this is minus 2 by 2, sir. How much will get? Plus 2 is the number. Oxidation number of sulfur is how much here? Plus 2. Please note down. Average oxidation number equal to plus 2. Can I go further structure? Is it clear? Little bit be fast, already completed, but I'm giving just examples only. Rules, everything you have to copy from your class notes. Next one, sir. Calculate the sulfur oxidation number H2 H2O7. H2 sulfur, sir. Underline atoms. H2O8. H2SO5. Are already given with the video also all these things. Just we need for formality purpose. CrO5. Assume that when we are testing again, you remembered or not? That's only. Clear? Check it oxidation number of underlying atoms. Array, you need to remember periodic table. I told very clearly. I don't know how many people remembered. Now I am going to be asked you people. I will give element randomly how to give answers. Things everyone remembered. I'm expecting. Please note down first. This is what the answers we are getting here. Here sulfur I am giving H2S2. O7. What's the structure, sir? So S double bond O. Array sulfur 6 bonds you have to write first. You can write 6 bonds, then you can make it. Sulfur 6 bonds, sir, and oxygen 2 bonds. Like this is puzzles. Okay. Sorry, hydrogen I am giving. Check it hydrogen. Check it all bonds is satisfied or not all atoms. Maximum oxidation number of any element equal to how much, sir? We are getting more than group number or valence electrons mean that is wrong. What is the sulfur oxidation number? What is the group number sulfur first? Sulfur group number. Sulfur group number. Are you able to send SMS? No? I think so. You can send right now. Please check it and give answers. Sulfur group number. So what are the valence electrons? Valence electrons, how much sulfur? How many electrons they can lose maximum? How many electrons they can lose maximum sulfur? 6. Clear? Now check it. What is the sulfur oxidation state here? Which is anyway hydrogen is +1, already you know that one. 2 into 1 plus sulfur, you don't know, that is assumed px plus oxygen 7 into -2 equal to 0. So 2 plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0, x equal to +6. Nothing is the exception, correct. Can you try H2S2O8? Already we discussed, sir. Even you have seen that video also, I think so. How many people can give answer, sir? Yeah, already we discussed now all these things. I hope you should be give answers very fast. Peroxide disulfuric acid. All structures are given as a video, are given even previous in class also are given. I'm not asking first time. -2, -2, -2. These are peroxide in case -1, -2, -2, -2. Okay. So check it. Answers you can get 2 into 1 for hydrogen plus 2 oxygens into -1 plus 6 oxygens into -2 plus 2x equal to 0. X equal to +6. That should not be more than group number. Keep in mind. It should not be more than group number. If you're getting anywhere group number means that is wrong, sir. Is it clear? So remaining you can check it, already I given. I don't want to discuss. This also +6. This also +6. Clear? Suppose you given here Na2S4O6. We tried structure. Which is sulfur-sulfur linkages, those are zero oxidation number. You can consider zero. This is, may can take here plus 6, plus 6. Here, plus 5, no? Not plus 6, plus 5. Check it only bonds. With respect to same atoms, 0 oxidation state. This is not peroxy bond, that is sulfur linkage. These are polymers. This is not peroxy bond, sir. So you can't consider here -1. These are sulfur-sulfur linkages. These are pure covalent bonds. You can't take anything. So this is, I can take because of these bonds plus 5. Because of 5 bonds of with respect to oxygen, I can take plus 5. Clear? Try to note down a little bit fast. Check it. Is it correct or wrong? You can check it first. What is the average oxidation number, sir? Average oxidation. These are oxidation state. Oxidation state, which is I am calculating particular atom is oxidation state, sir. Particular atom is oxidation state. Please don't get confusion. If you want, you can note down. If I am asking particular atoms, these are oxidation states. Individual I am asking means all these are oxidation state. State. If oxidation number means average, you have to calculate. Oxidation number equal to, please calculate. This is plus 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 by 4, sir. Now how much will get? 2.5 is your answer. Any doubt? Please check it here. Oxidation number is average. Oxidation state is per particular atom. Sometimes oxidation number equal to oxidation state. For example, you can see, sir, here. Sometimes oxidation number equal to oxidation state. For example, K2Cr2O7. You can check it here. This is potassium anyway, 2, each one is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 2x plus 7 into -2 equal to 0. This is 2 plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. Then x equal to plus 6. If you are drawing structure also same thing you can get. Correct. I'm able to see. Chromium. You can check its structures. Minus double bond O, minus double bond O. Two minus I am writing, sir. You can remove this K2, then you will get Cr2O7 2 minus. I am taking this structure. Check it each chromium how much oxidation state here. How many bonds is there with respect to chromium? How many bonds oxygen and chromium here? You can count, sir. Number of bonds you can count here total 6 bonds plus 6. Here plus 6. Then oxidation number equal to plus 6 by 2 because 2 chromium will get 6 only, sir. So oxidation state and oxidation number here equal. Oxidation state and oxidation number is equal. Is it clear? KNMS 11th Colin Johnson's or Jones. I'm going to be asked you question. KNMS 11th Colin Jones. So you need to give your answer next question. Madam, try this question. What's the oxidation state of MnO to Mn? Mn oxidation state. KNMS 11th Colin Jones. First, don't sleep. Sit first. Send me through WhatsApp or directly you can give answer. Why some people are sleeping and why we are sitting on bed first? Right, try to on your video, sir. Most of the people are sleeping. I don't know you are studying, you are listening or not. Also, I am not getting. Then I can identify you are really studying, or sitting, or listening. I can identify easily. Try to on your videos. I can see you people where you are sitting. Really you are studying or not. What's the answer for this question? So I can close here oxidation number concept, but see few more questions. NiCO4. What is the oxidation number of nickel? Please find it. Few questions. NiH2O. This is 4. This is 2 plus. Calculate nickel oxidation number, which are underline atoms you have to calculate, sir. Check it. So already I given oxidation number. Again, under rules I mentioned, sir. With respect to neutral ligands, ligands means lone pair donor. We are going to be studying 12th standard. With respect to neutral ligands like H2O, CO, NH3, anyone, sir, which is chargeless one, NH2, amines, which is nitrogen donor, all these things, etc. 0 is the oxidation number, sir. Oxidation state is 0. I will discuss this concept, but I don't know how many people remembered. So wherever carbon monoxide, with respect to that, is the oxidation number is 0. Clear? Check it here. NiCO4. So this is nickel is X plus this is 0, sir. 0 into 4 equal to 0. How much X equal to? 0 only. You can try it, which is given Ni. Ni is X plus H2O. Can try it, sir. Nickel is X. Then water, sir. With respect to water, 0 already given. 4 into 0 equal to whatever charge plus 2. With respect to ligand 0, not element is 0, sir. That's we need to calculate regular method. So x plus 0 equal to plus 2, x equal to plus 2. Understood? With respect to this ligand's 0, this contribution is 0. You can't take everything, which is we have to follow that rules. If charge is there, you have to equal to charge. Clear? Or you can't tell, sir, after whenever you are getting examinations, sir, how to solve these complexes, we don't know. Very simple, all these things. These are complex compounds, we have to represent in square bracket. For example, try it K3, CO, CN6. I can assume, sir, potassium, we don't know that is, sir, we know that one, 3 into 1, plus cobalt X, plus Cn minus. You can keep in mind, if you don't know, you can keep in mind this, sir. Cn is minus 1. Oxygen state is Cn is minus 1. If you don't know, please note down. So how many minus 1? 6. 6 into minus 1 equal to 0. Then x equal to how much we'll get? Plus 3. This is the oxidation state of chromium. Now try it. CrO2Cl2. Chromium oxidation number. Chromium is X plus, right, sir, remaining. But I am not able to see most of the people, which is really have to see you are studying or not. Just sitting or not. Let me see your photos, sir. Still most of the people went on video. At least whenever I'm asking, open video, I have to see randomly people. But some people are sleeping on bed and listening. We are not writing also. See, most of the people didn't on video, sir. Completed? At least you can on per class 5 to 6 times, then half. Okay. I need to see you people, you're writing or not. Okay, fine. The clear answer, you got it? I think so. Oxidation number concept is clear. Now types of redox reactions, sir. I think so. You know redox reactions meaning. So the reaction which oxidation reduction both can occur simultaneously. Those we call redox reactions. Please open if you have NCERT book. I'm going to discuss NCERT book briefly. You have to copy from your textbook important points. Okay. So I read every point here. They mention very clearly oxidation, reduction. Okay. Definitions they mention and with example. Every example you need to apply oxidation reduction. This is it oxidation or not? You can identify or not by using oxidation by calculating oxidation number. Please check it every case. This case. Check it here. In the case of here Hg and SnCl2, which is oxidation, which is reduction, which is oxidizing agent, which is reducing agent. Every time you need to find out by giving examples. Are you getting my point? You can check it here. Iron oxidation state you can calculate here, and check here also iron oxidation state, which is oxidizing agent, which is reducing agent. You need to find out. So every example which is oxidizing agent, reducing agent, find and send through WhatsApp. Even including these equations. That's your homework, sir. Don't tell we didn't give homework. I need each equation which is the oxidizing agent which undergo oxidation. You need to send that one, including problems also. NCERT book. Clear? Read line to line everything. All these things. What they find, any new points they given, check it and find. This part will discuss comparative electron transfer. I will discuss this part. If you know activity series already 10th standard, fine, you can do. Even leave it that one. If you don't know, also no problem. I will explain that is. And oxidation number and rules already we discussed that one. Check it each example again. Read this is. If you find any new point, please note down. Is it clear? Solve all the solved examples. This should be there in your class notes. Now we are going to discuss here types of redox reactions. Combination reactions. They are combining one or two elements, then convert into product. In this process, one element undergo oxidation and other element undergo reduction. Okay, but the mentions are here, not compounds. I think so. Elemental form. Please note down this font whenever you are solving. Must be in the elemental form. These are not compounds. You can check it here. At least one should be in elemental form. Carbon and oxygen elemental form. Carbon converted into C+4. So oxidation. Oxygen converted into 0, 2, -2. Alright, things are able to see my screen. Let me know through SMS. Let me through SMS, sir. Are you able to see my screen? NCERT book I'm sharing. Right, don't call. If you are calling, it's going to be disconnect. Send through SMS only. Huh? Don't call. Just send through SMS. Okay, fine. We'll continue. Unnecessarily don't send too many things because they are blocking you people. Reason that is due to this reason we are not able to discuss your doubts also. Huh? Whenever I'm asking question, you can give answer. That's very good. But unnecessary SMS, please stop that one. Due to this reason, genuine doubts also we are not able to discuss. Which is I'm asking question, you can respond. Fine, that is. But unnecessarily stop those remaining things. Whenever I'm asking question, you can respond. Fine. So first one is combination reactions. These are the type of redox reaction. How to identify this redox reaction or not? By checking oxidation state. 0 to +4 oxidation occur. and oxygen 0 to -2 reduction occur. So in any reaction, oxidation reaction, both they are occurring, that reaction we call redox reaction. Check all examples are same pattern. Check it all examples. I need in your notes everything, types of redox reaction, every siding should be there in your class. Note down and with examples. And decomposition reactions. H2O they are decomposing. H is +1, oxygen is -2. 1 to 0, what we call sir reduction. Gaining of electron, +1 to 0 means gaining of electron, -2 to 0 means oxidation. So this also redox reaction. KClO3 special case. You can check it here. Cl oxidation state how much? Can you calculate Cl oxidation state? Give answer. Cl oxidation state. Chlorine oxidation state in KClO3. Anyone, please? So anyway, +5 is the oxidation state, sir. Already they given +5, oxygen is -2. Here +5 to chlorine -1, that's we call reduction. And -2 to 0, that's oxidation. So two different elements belongs to one compound, they undergo oxidation reduction. So this is we call anyway decomposed reaction and redox reactions. And check it other one, displacement reactions. So X is going to be displaced Y and we are getting sir oxidation reduction. These are two types they are given. Displacement means one will come, other one will replaces. One replaced by other one. That's we call displacement reactions. Metal displacement reactions. Here metal displacement. Here zinc will come and copper replaces. That's we call metal displacement. Zinc 0 to +2 means oxidation. Copper +2 to 0 means reduction. So redox reaction. Similarly can apply here also. Aluminium 0 and +3 oxidation. Chromium +3 to 0 reduction. This is also redox reaction. Non-metal displacement. So displacement reaction with respect to non-metals. Sodium can displace hydrogen. So sodium 0 and +1 oxidation, and hydrogen +1 to 0 sir. This is reduction. So this metal non-metal displacement. So I will discuss that is activity series one more time. Is it clear? So next, disproportionation reactions. What is the disproportionation reaction? Can you find out here? What is the condition? In a disproportionation reaction, an element in one oxidation state is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. One of the reacting substances in a disproportionate reaction always contains an element that can exist in at least 3 oxidation states. Please note down, sir. It's the condition. That element can show at least 3 oxidation states. For example, I'm discussing here, you can see H2O2. You can get here H2O plus half O2 by decomposition. Here oxygen showing 3 types of oxidation states, sir. -1 it can show, -2 it can show, 0 it can show, even +1, +2. So they have more than 3 types of oxidation states. Then only it can show disproportionate character. Here -1, -2 and 0. One element undergo oxidation and reduction as well as. Here oxygen -1 to 0 means what we call, sir, oxidation, loss of electrons. Next, -1 to 0, sorry, -2, this we call reduction. Clear? So which is undergo one element oxidation and reduction. I'm giving one more example. Cl2 plus NaOH. Check 0 oxidation state of chlorine. NaCl plus NaOCl plus H2O. please can you find out here? Oxidation state of chlorine, sir. That's your target. Here Cl is 0, -1, +1. So 0 to -1 reduction and 0 to +1 oxidation. So one element undergo oxidation as well as reduction. That reactions we called disproportionate reactions. Is it clear? I mentioned balancing equation. I uploaded one video. You may can see that's we are going to discuss coming. I think so. Next class only we are going to be start balancing equation. Already I sent you that one. You may can get that is. We can see that is oxidation number method. And in future we may can take classes for doubt sections also. We may can discuss all these things. Check it disproportionation reaction understood or not. Element undergo oxidation, other element undergo reduction. Whereas some students regularly they are sending their homework, sir, regularly. One student I think so, Logatej or Logaditya something. NEET student they are sending regularly their homework. Very good. Please try to practice regularly up to disproportionation reactions. You need to read up to types of disproportionation reaction. Array one model we discussed, remaining we can try, sir. Doesn't matter. Up to 4 types disproportionation reactions we have to read, and please note down all these points. Here chlorine also there, oxidation reduction, sulfur, acid, phosphorus, all these things. How to balance this equation we'll discuss. Okay, try to solve problem 8.5 also you'll get some information. So your homework is up to this, sir, up to page number 272 redox reactions. You complete this is, then we can go further. Anyway, this already a discussion, already you completed paradox or fractional oxidation number. We'll do next balancing equations directly. Okay. Before that one, please complete from your NCERT book. If you have any doubts, or whenever you start to read, then only you will get doubts. If you are not asking doubts means you are not studying, sir. Is it clear? You are not sending any doubts from your when you are studying means you are not studying. That's like understood very easily. So who are not sending doubts, who are not asking means you are not studying. Simply you are attending classes and you are leaving. Clear? Check it. Up to this, find homework. We'll see.